Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 3 how to change your profile photo on Instagram using an iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing we need in our hand is the iPhone itself and then the Instagram application. And now we can click on the application itself. Make sure you're signed into the account. Go to your profile. And now click on edit profile, change the profile photo, choose from library, enable library access, yes, go back again, go to Instagram. Edit the profile photo, change the profile photo, choose from the library. And now we have a photo that is available. Click on done, done again. And now we have changed the profile photo. Go back to the home page of the iPhone. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.